Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will find out where to buy a Roblox gift card. I wonder why you're looking for Roblox gift card. Maybe you want to get some Robux, or maybe you want to gift the card to your friend or any other person and you're looking to buy and you don't know where to get one. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you can buy a Roblox gift card and from where you can buy it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Here first you have to make sure that you have an account on Roblox. Also, if you're getting a card for yourself, then you have to make sure that you also have installed a Roblox app. But if you're getting a card for your friend or maybe any other person, then it doesn't matter if you have installed a Roblox app or not. So one thing that you have to do at first is open a browser. You can go with any browser of your choice. Here I'm going with a Google Chrome. So on the web, there are multiple people who are selling Roblox gift card. Some of them might work and some of them are scam. So in this video, I will go to the official website of Roblox and we will buy authentic cards. Therefore, you have to go for roblox.com/gift cards. Make sure you go with the same link and then you will land onto this page. This is the official website. First, you have to click on this option. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while to load and it will take you here. Now it will ask that if you're getting a card for your friend or yourself. So if you're getting a card for your friend, then enter all details. Otherwise, you can go with this option. Once you get here, it will ask if you want a physical card or a digital card, and you can also choose the currency in which you want to pay. I'm going with a digital card, but you can also go with the second option and can choose currency of your choice. Once you get here, after that there are different categories of the card available. You can choose any one of these and choose which cover of the card you would like to have. Once you have selected, just simply click on how much and then you can choose which price you want for the card. Like it starts from $10 and ends at $200, and you can also increase or decrease the quantity. After that, just add it into your card and it will be here. Now it's time for checkout. So for that, just simply tap onto this option checkout. There it will ask you how would you like to pay, through debit or credit card, PayPal or Apple Pay. So you can choose any one of these options and then add your card details. Once you add your card details, and it will just take a while to verify, and after that the card will be sent to your email address. If you have purchased a physical card, then the card will be sent to the address that you have added when you were checking out. In case of digital card, the code of that card will be sent to your email address, and through email address you can copy and paste that code into redeem section, and then you will be able to receive Robux out of that card. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find out where to get Roblox gift card. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.